wariai. We use it in math and in the news when talking about how big a part is compared to the whole. We also use it to say it's rather, relatively, 日本。wariai。算数やニュースで全体に対してどれくらいかを話すときに使います。思ったより何々だよというときにも使います。It is used as a noun and also as an adverb with ni or to. In wariai, it literally tells how large a part is compared with the whole, and it can also soften degree, meaning relatively or rather. 全体と部分を比べて、その分を数字で表すことです。また、思っていたよりという柔らかい程度を使える言い方です。The first kanji means to divide or break, and also links to ideas like a discount. You see it in words like waribiki. It also appears in wareru, which is about something cracking or breaking. Think cutting up amounts to compare parts. The second kanji means to fit, join, or match. You hear it in goukei when numbers fit together into a total. It is also in goukaku when someone matches the required standard to pass. Think things coming together. To make a whole or meet a level. There is a high percentage of girls in this class. このクラスは女子の割合が高いです。このクラスは女子の割合が高いです。The pass rate is 60%. 合格者の割合は 60% です。合格者の割合は 60% です。The proportion of elderly people in Japan is increasing. 日本では高齢者の割合が増えています。日本では高齢者の割合が増えています。Calculate the ratio of sugar to water. 砂糖と水の割合を計算します。砂糖と水の割合を計算します。The most common synonyms of the word are hiritsu and ritsu. Hiritsu is a formal math or data term for ratio, and ritsu is a general rate. Both overlap with wariai when you compare a part to a whole, but wariai also works adverbially to mean relatively. The most common antonyms of the word are zettaisu and sosu. These focus on raw counts or totals, not on comparison with the whole, like wariai does.